Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and do not yet know this beautiful face that is in front of you guys. Hey guys, I'm Maggie, Mags, Margaret. It's really nice to meet you. A preface, I'm so hungry. Like, did I not eat breakfast today? Anyway, so this is my little preface for this video. I did a preface in my last video. My last video like this was last year. But in that video, I did a little preface to tell you guys this will not be a short video. This is not a normal back to school haul. I'm going to college and I got a lot more than just 2 notebooks and a pen. Okay, Brenda? So don't harass me and tell me that my video was long or this, that, and the third. You know what you clicked onto. You know. So sit down, get your little red vines, get your Diet Coke, and enjoy the show because I'm here to serve it to you. So I'm going to show you guys my actual like school supplies. I don't know why I put quotes. Like technically these are all my school supplies, but I was talking like, I'm not going to go into it. Oh yeah. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys are my notebooks. It's going to be really quick, real brief like that. But I got a 1 subject, 5-star notebook in red. I don't know why that I was so hesitant. I got a white 5-star 1 subject notebook. I got a black 5-star 1 subject notebook. This one hits close to home. This one resembles my soul. You know, really like things that, you know, resemble me. Plot twist, if you thought they were all 1 subject, no bitch. I have a 3 subject pen and gear notebook. I literally forgot what this is called. I need school. All right, so I have a 3 subject pen and gear red notebook that is specifically for my history class because sis likes to take notes. Let's all just think of it as a survival guide, taking notes. So I also have this dark blue 1 subject 5-star notebook, and I have a purple 5-star 1 subject notebook. Oh, you're like, oh, is that it? No, bitch. I got blue and purple folders just to go with my blue and purple notebooks because we're all about organization this year. So, seeing how we're talking about organization, my sister got me this All Beautiful Things Are Wild and Free planner, and it is an 18-month planner. You can tell by the thickness. Black China, baby, I see you quaking over there. Step aside, take a seat. The big girls are back. I actually really like it. Like, I did a back to school haul 2 years ago, and that planner that I showed in that video got so, it looked like it was in the ring with Mayweather by like July. Like, it was toe up from the flow up. And this is not a regular planner that you can find at your local Walgreens, Brenda. No, baby. This, well, my sister got it at Marshall, so it's not like she got it at the Louis Vuitton store or something, you know? But this is a really, really cute, fun planner. It comes with a lot of cute quotes in the beginning of each month. Do I sound sponsored? I do, but I'm not. Ow. Aw, I got makeup on it. So it does come with stickers, and I'm super, super hype about that. A bunch of different fucking stickers, bro. I'm getting my makeup on it, so I'm putting this down now. Moving on. The next thing that I got was this 1.5-inch binder in the color of mint green. This is my favorite color. Boo. Oh. So you're probably like, Margaret, why did you get a binder at all? So this is a stitch, okay? I got a binder for my math class because I want to keep everything that is math related, literally everything that is math related, in a corner in one specific thing, like one specific spot. I want to keep all my math belongings so that when I'm done doing my math at the end of the night, I can literally toss it like I just tossed that binder. Like I just want to throw it across the room. I don't want to look at it again because I don't know if you can get what I'm saying here. I hate math. I hate it with a burning passion, but it's some type of requirement and I don't feel like fighting the system again. So the next thing I got for that binder, I got a 500 sheet college ruled loose leaf. It's kind of ripped, the packaging of it, but it's over there now, so I don't have to worry about it. So because I again want to get everything that is math related out of my fucking face, I also got this Texas Instruments TI-30X IIS. Do I know what any of that stands for? No. Do I care? No. I went to Walmart and I picked up a calculator and this one was pink, so I said, okay, that's fine. So So now moving on, I also got some of these vital, essential back to school supplies that are pretty preliminary if you ask me. To go with all of the math in my life, this is like the last thing math related, I believe. I got pencils. I hate pencils. I hate them with a burning passion. I think I stopped writing with pencils when I was like in 6th grade. I only really write in pen. I'm not gonna go on a tangent why. Just know I don't like pencils, but apparently, again, it's some kind of requirement for me to have a pencil in math. Why I can't write in a pen, I don't understand. But you know what? Again, I'm not fighting the system. I'm not fighting the law. I also got pens. These are pink Papermate Inkjoy Ballpoint Ultra Smooth pens. That comes in a pack of 18. My pencils came in a pack of 20. I need to go back to Walmart and I need to create some balance in my life because I'm not gonna have more pencils than pens. That's disgusting. So I got highlighters, and this is in the colors of yellow, blue. Wow, am I colorblind now? That's a new feature to this sad life that I live. So I got yellow, green, blue, pink, and orange, and I had highlighters. I really did have highlighters. I swear I did. But this is why I recommend you not move houses at the same time that you are moving home from school, because sweetheart, you will lose everything that is precious to you. I still can't find half my shit. I came home in May. So I got these Post-it tabs. These are just to go in my textbooks. So I can color coordinate, orange for I'm coming back to this, yellow for studying, green for I'm failing, purple for I give up, red for please kill me now, things like that. So I also got this Pen Gear Heavyweight ruled index cards, and I got them in the color of pink, orange, green, yellow, and white. I don't know if you guys can see that because like the glare and everything and brightness, I'm not worried about it, but I literally just told you guys the colors. So moving on, the next thing that I got is very precious to me. It's not, but it's very important. So I went to school last year and I didn't have a damn single, not a single like pencil pouch. And I found myself on numerous occasions reaching into my book bag, hoping to find a pen, a pencil, a highlighter, my will to live, and I could find none. So I bought a cute little pencil pouch in mint green again. I'm going with the same aesthetic. Just to hold all of those things precious to me. This year I'm gonna be living in an apartment with 2 people I actually don't know. So my social anxiety is starting to kick me in my throat. Anyway, so let's just move into what I got more for my living situation. I just want to shout this out real quick because I love her so much. So my friend Emily went to Target and bought me these gold wire lights, and they're so cute, but they're actually for a locker. So what's cute about them is that I can just drape them around my desk and, light up the darkness that constantly surrounds me. So next, I just realized that I got some Sharpies off. So I got this little white cup thing, and this is to hold my toothbrush in the mornings by my sink. So I also got these cups and bowls, and if you guys watched my last year's back to school haul or whatever the fuck I called it, you could see I got the exact same color, the exact same cups and bowls. That's cool. I didn't use the ones last year, but I lost them somehow. Anyway, these bowls are to hold my Chex and my Cinnamon Toast Crunch that I will be eating every single morning. These cups are for my Tuesdays of Tequila Tuesdays. They will get me through my Wednesdays. It's fine. Totally. I'm fine. So I also got body washes. So I got this one in Cucumber Agave Smash, Cocoa Butter and Shea. Can't read. Hi, my name is Jared. I'm 19 and I can't read. The next ones, I also got 2 of the same ones, I guess. I got 2 Milk and Honey Splashes. So because I am going to have sinks and stuff like that in my room, I also got 2 hand soaps, Milk and Golden Honey, and Soothing Aloe Vera, so I can wash off all the bacteria of the hateful bitches that I go to school with. I'm just saying, I'm not being shady. I'm being very blunt. Next, I got some skincare stuff, and I got this Deep Action... What the fuck does it say? I got a Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub from Clean & Clear that I can use in my little scrub cleaner, whatever it's called. So this has been in now 3 of my back to school videos. I'm super excited about it. You guys know what it is. It's Clean and Clear Morning Burst and Night Relaxing extra value pack, so I can just have them for the year or at least until Christmas. Also got this Clean and Clear dual action moisturizer. Can you tell I should be sponsored by Clean and Clear? Send me your shit, Clean and Clear. I also got this Pure Silk sensitive skin shaving cream. And what is shaving cream without razors, baby? I got these Noxzema coconut oil lube strip razors. Real happy about that, y'all. I got really cheap razors last year. I wasn't having it. I wasn't here for it. I wasn't featuring it. I wasn't gonna do it again. I also got the twin pack of Degree, cause like nobody wants to be a musty bitch. Let's get it right. So I don't know if this was for me or if my mom just picked this shit up for herself, but she got the Glade Radiant Berries. This is for the the plug-in things that it's basically a refill can, I guess. But listen here, if my Mama Brown does not claim her shit by September 3rd when I leave this house, it's mine. So going on to air fresheners, your girl is loaded. So I got a bunch of air fresheners because for some reason last year, around December time, my room kind of became like a hangout spot for my friends. I didn't consent to it. There was no permission granted, but that's what happened. I got a lot of air fresheners because I have a phobia of my room smelling weird when people are in it. So I got a bunch of different Glade air sprays, y'all. I got this one in lovely lavender and vanilla. I got another one in white tea and lily. That one's bomb. This one is bomb as fuck. If you don't even know, then you should know. I also got it in Hawaiian Breeze. Sweetie, if you thought that was all of the air fresheners that I had, the devil has always been a liar. I have 4 of these gel, what are they called? Air fresheners. Yeah, gel air fresheners. This one is in the scent of After Rain because I don't know what bitch does not love the smell after rain. It's beautiful. The next one I got is in Vanilla Apricot Blossom and Almonds. I got another one in Blissful. Wow. I got another one in Blissful Apple and Cinnamon. You know, for the fall time or whatever. I got another one in Lovely Lavender. So you're probably like, Margaret, is it necessary to have so many air fresheners? Yes, because you know, I don't want my room to smell like the wrong kind of flowers. I just want my room to smell delicious. Okay, delicioso. Thanks, Dora, for that. Okay, so the next thing I got were rags, but that's not what I intentionally meant to show you. I meant to show you guys, so this is the last thing that I'm going to show you guys in this haul. So you're welcome. Thank you for making it this far. I also got this tapestry from my friend Yemily, and it was actually a tapestry that she got for herself last year, I believe, or something to that effect. But she got me this tapestry, and because it's kind of big, I can't stretch it out and show you guys. But if I can find a picture, I will insert it on the screen so you guys can tell. But I'm so happy that she gave it to me and super thankful because last year my wall was kind of bland. I mean, I had pictures and artwork on it, but not as much as I really wanted, and the tapestry is going to do great at filling that empty void in my life and in my room. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I don't have to talk as fast because I personally hate long videos, so I don't know why I would make one. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. If you don't, that's cool too. I will see you guys in the next video, okay?